Dave here. How are you? I'm going to tell you a little secret. So if you feel as though you're a bit lacking in length, keep tuned. I'm going to show you something that's going to help you out. What I was using just then was the GRE-13, this guy here. That extends my 2.7 to be able to cut a sheet with ease. The saw normally does it okay, but right at the end, the little green guide, this guy here, loses contact right at the end. Now also with my 1400 rail up there, it will make it a 1700 and something. So for cross-cutting sheets of plywood that are maybe 1350 wide, ideal. This gives me a perfect cut all the way through. Now the GRE-13 from TSO can come with a sustainer and a half sustainer insert. There you go, you can have a look at it there. Only half the thickness, so you can also put a GRS-16 in a half insert into a sustainer as well. And that, I think, is pretty clever. Just pushing it in there while you're not watching. So there you go, that's where it lives. And there's a spot down here for the connectors. There's one of the connectors, the other one's on the other side. Links in the video description at the bottom. It is an affiliation, so you will be helping me out if you get one. That's not the reason why I want you to get one. It just makes it easier. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends.